Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will give you the overview of most unpopular app Shopify theme access. This is not commonly used by a lot of store owners because they don't know its exact functionality. But let me tell you in short way how you can use this app. Basically, it is different from the staff account. Like you can create a staff account, you can give access to certain developer email, but this is different. Basically, it allows you to just give access to themes. That's it. You don't have to give access to settings, you don't have to give to access to products and all the stuff. If you just want to give access to theme developers to customize and access your themes, you can use this app. Basically, that developer can access your themes using Shopify CLI or theme kit. So this is a little advanced stuff. Even if the developer is comfortable with CLI and theme kit and you don't want to give the complete staff access, this is the best solution for you. Okay, so the implementation is very easy. I will show you in detail, and I will show you how the email actually looks like when you send someone the email. So this is the app. I have already installed the app. I don't want to waste the time. So this is how the app looks like, as you can see. So let me just show. Yeah, so you can create the password. For example, I want to create the password, so I will write the developer name. For example, I will write sorry. So you have to click on create password, and you have to write the developer name. For example, I will write the name of the developer and developer name and developer email. Then it will Shopify will automatically create the password. You don't have to create the password. Basically, the developer will get the access, and he will access the password, and then he will use that password to access your store through Shopify CLI. So this is advanced stuff. You don't need to know how he can access the Shopify CLI. Your job as a store owner is just to give him access. You have to click on create password, and let me show you how it actually looks like. So this is how the email looks like. As you can see, test store for LinkedIn Shopify has generated a password for you, and let me see the email. So Gulam Mustafa from Shopify test store for LinkedIn has invited you to collab on theme development. So once the developer will click on get password, this is for the 7 days. So it will create the password for him or her, and he will just copy this password, and then he can access to Shopify CLI and all the other stuff. So if you are someone who is working with a developer who is technical enough to just work on your themes, and you don't want to give him the staff access, you can use this method, and he will just use this password to log into your themes. And this password is unique and should not be the developer should not share with someone else, because this is a very secret. So you have to sign an NDA as well. So this is how you can give the access and use this app. Thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue. This is not very popularly used app, but obviously if you are running a very large store and you want to give the access to only themes, this is the best approach for you.